Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com, and in this video you will learn about a window tool in Revit Architecture. So in the previous video, if you watched it, we discussed about door tool. The door and window tools, the settings are about same. Remember one thing, for both you must have a wall before you place it in your drawing. So I will draw a wall. Press escape and now select window. From type selector you can select its types. Also you can select its sizes. For example, you can see 16 inches by 24 inches to 36 inches by 72 inches. So I will load another family of window like we did it in door. So edit type, and you can make changes here. Later we will do it. I will load window family, and here we have to press W for windows. Double click and the variety of windows Revit has. So I will select this one, open it, and you can see here we have a few types here. I will press OK, and from type selector you can select few types here, so you can select one of them. So I will select one and I will place in a wall. Let's switch back to 3D view. So there's our window. I'll switch back to level 1 and I will make changes in our window. So select this one and go to edit type. I want some changes in my window, so I will duplicate this window family, duplicate it, and I will make it 48 will be enough. I think 48 inches by 72 inches. I want to make changes only in width. Okay, now change its width from 3 feet to 4 feet. You also can make changes in projection of trimming interior, exterior, or trim width, or you can make changes in its inset. Some of our modelers may know what inset is. We normally use it in 3ds Max. So, and default still height will be 1 feet. So I want to make changes here. I want it 6 inches. So our window will start from 6 inches and will go to 6 feet 6 inches. Press OK. Now you also can make changes here. If you want, I will make changes in 6 inches. Apply it. So head height will be automatically changed to 6 feet 6 inches, and our window is 48 inches by 72 inches. So click here to place your window. Now switch to 3D view to see your window. That's how you can make changes every time you want. Again switch back to level 1 and select window. Again you can make changes here. I want again default still height, I want 1 feet again. Apply. OK. And here also you can change it. That changes we made is for default setting, and this changes for every time we place our window, so this setting will be applied. So I want to make changes also here. So our still height will be 1 feet and head height will be 7 feet. Place a window here and switch to 3D view. Now that's how you can make changes. I will switch back to 3D view, and if you delete, that's the cool thing Revit has, it will automatically fill that place. Again I am deleting a window so that you can see this wall is automatically filled again. That's a cool feature Revit has. Now switch to level 1 and go to window, load more types, load windows. So I will select double hung with trim. OK. Here you also can make changes. So height will be 2 feet and default still height will be 3 feet. So OK. And you also can make changes here. So I will press here, click here to place your window. So go to 3D view to see your, here you can make changes. So I will make it to 3 feet. That's how you can make changes. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. So load families and try different. I will select this one, open it, and it will have its own setting, different palm. This one. You also can make changes in your material and finishes. Later we will do it in project, inshallah. So that's size is 48 by 72 inches, and I will place a window here. So go to 3D view and you can see. You also can place your window in a 3D view if you want, and apply changes anywhere you want. You also can make changes in, I will change still height to 2 feet and apply it. So that's how you can make changes anytime in your windows, doors, or components you use. Place your window somewhere and change your distance from here to 2 feet. So that's cool features Revit has. By practice you can make more changes. So that's it. I hope you will like my videos. Do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. In next video we'll discuss about components, rope, etc. See you. Bye.